Same concepts. A national director is active, you have 3 qualified legs, but now those teams have continued to grow, and in a calendar month you have over $40,000 in group qualification volume. Again, the only structural criteria is a 60% rank criteria, which means you'd have to have the remaining $16,000 out of your other organizations. You do that, you'd find yourself a national director in the ViSalus compensation plan. Average national director will make $3,000 to $6,000 a month. How cool would it be if you had an extra $3,000 to $6,000 a month? For most people, they can get rid of that second or third job, maybe start cutting back a little bit of hours, saving for some more family vacations, paying down some credit card bills. Some individuals are even able to go full-time promoting the challenge with an extra $3,000 to $6,000 a month. I'll also let you know on an inside secret, when you hit this position, we send you a private invitation to fly out to Beverly Hills and Hollywood and spend some time at what we call our National Director Experience with myself, the fellow co-founders, the ViSalus management. We get a chance to, have some fun, see some sights, and get some specialized training that can help you go from National Director through the rest of the career path. Hit National Director, guys. We'd love to have you come out. Now, once you get that training, you're able to promote yourself to the next position in the ViSalus career path called Presidential Director. A Presidential Director is active, 3 qualified legs. Those teams have now grown to over $80,000 a month in group qualification volume. That's $80,000 in a month. Same 60% rank criteria means you can take up to $48,000 out of any one team, which means the remaining $32,000 can come from your other organizations. You do that, you'll find yourself a presidential director in the ViSalus career path. Now, a presidential director, you're going to earn anywhere from $6,000 to $12,000 a month. Stop for a minute and think about this, okay? What would you do with an extra $6,000 to $12,000 a month? Most individuals would now find themselves full-time promoting the challenge. How cool would it be to wake up when you want to not have to report to a boss, to have the vacation days whenever you want to have the vacation days, right? To be an entrepreneur, to be an independent business owner, guys. How cool would it be to have your life back by getting the position of presidential director? Those are the qualifications to make that happen, and I'll let you know that when you hit presidential director, we get to have a blast because we give you a private exclusive invitation to join us on our presidential paradise. Something we do where we invite all of the new presidential directors out to an exotic location. It's all about lifestyle, luxury, and living the Vi life, having a blast and celebrating your accomplishment for helping people transform their bodies through the challenge. So that's presidential director, and once you find yourself there, you're knocking on the door of our pinnacle position called ambassador. An ambassador is someone who's active, 3 qualified legs, and a total group qualifying volume of $150,000 within that calendar month. That's $150,000. 60% rank criteria means you can take up to 90 out of any one organization, and the other 60 can come from your other teams. That would make you what's called an ambassador, guys. An ambassador income starts at about $12,000 a month, and then sky's the limit. There is no glass ceiling. The bigger the organization, the more customers, the more you're able to earn. Now, how would your life change knowing you were making over 6 figures a year passively? You didn't have to clock in, you didn't have to clock out, you didn't have to go to a job. You were making way over the average American earnings, right, from your home, spending time with your kids, time with your family, and you're doing it through empowering people, improving their health, improving their financial situation, guys. That is what the ambassadorship is all about. Take a minute and think about that. Now, once you hit ambassador, the only thing we ask is you had a team of individuals that helped you get to the top, so it's only fair that you pay that forward, right? Reciprocity, give back, and help other people do the same. So beyond ambassador, you're able to become what we call a 1-star ambassador by helping at least one person in any one of your lines of referral hit ambassador. That would make you a 1-star ambassador. Help a second person within a second line of referral. Anywhere in that line, you'd be a 2-star ambassador. A third person in your third line of referral, you would be what we call a 3-star ambassador. To hit 4-star ambassador, you can start a 4th line of referral, Or you can personally enroll an individual and placement sponsor them anywhere under your first 3. And if anyone in that personal enrollee line down hits ambassador, that would make you a 4-star. And you can do the same thing with your 5th star, and that would take you all the way to what we call a 5-star ambassador. You see, the ViSalus career path, ladies and gentlemen, is about giving you the means to get to whatever income goal you're at, whether it's a couple $100s a month at director, all the way to a complete lifestyle change and legacy income by hitting our ambassador star positions and paying that success forward. Now, for those of you that have intentions of helping a whole lot of people, there are 3 very special ranks even above a 5-star ambassador. Now, once you've helped one person achieve the rank of 3-star ambassador in each one of your 3 legs or lines of referral, which means you'll have at least 3 3-star ambassadors, you earn the title of Royal Ambassador. Now, once you've continued to help those individuals grow their teams and help one person achieve the rank of 5-star ambassador, again, in each of your 3 lines of referrals, which means you'll have at least 3 5-star ambassadors, well, now you earn the title of Crown Ambassador. And for those of you with massive, massive goals, the top of our compensation plan is called Global Ambassador. That means you have helped at least 5 people achieve the rank of 5-star ambassador. Now, that can be in 5 different teams, or you can build 1 and 3 different teams, personally enroll other individuals, and place them within your existing organizations. As long as you're not counting more than 2 5-star ambassadors in each leg, and each 5-star ambassador is a part of your personal enrollee chain, you would be deemed what we call a global ambassador. So as you can see, there are some amazing advantages that can allow you to achieve whatever goal you want. Now, if you're not a technical person, you're not a comp plan person, you're not a detail person, let me summarize this in a very simple order. First thing you want to do to move through the career path is just follow the system we teach, become a director in your first 30 days, which makes you what we call a rising star. Follow the system, become a rising star. Then help other people do the same thing. So if you look at regional director, $12,500 divided by directors, that's divided by 2,000, it means you're going to want to help at least 6 other people become a rising star. On average, if you help 6 people become a rising star, you're going to find yourself at regional director driving a black BMW. Become a rising star, help others do the same, drive a black BMW. Now you're feeling good, you're excited, everybody's wondering what you're doing. Help other people do what you just did. If you help 3 people on average get a BMW, you'll find yourself at a national director. If you help 6 people on average drive a BMW, you'll find yourself at presidential director. And think about this. If all you did over the next 90 days, 6 months, what if it took you 5 years, right? Part-time, spare time, and you helped at least 12 other people on average drive a black BMW, you'd find yourself at our ambassador position making that 6-figure year income plus from home. So if you're looking for the short order of how you can move through the compensation plan, become a rising star, help others do the same, drive a BMW, help others do the same, find yourself at the position you want to achieve. So there you have it, an exciting career path that allows an average person to achieve above average results by following a simple system, and it's all built around helping other people transform their lives and their health through the challenge and transform their financial situations through the ViSalus compensation plan. So all that's left for you to do is set your goal. What is it that you want to achieve? What rank do you need to achieve to accomplish that goal? And let's go out there and get started by becoming a ViSalus Rising Star. Your BMW will be right around the corner.